So I recently lost my dad, and we flew on United from Chicago to Brussels because we were heading to Cameroon. That's where we're from, my sister and I. And we met this flight attendant, and we told him what was going on and how we were feeling. And he wrote a note. I've tried to record this many times, and I don't like to cry on camera, but he wrote us the sweetest note. So when we got on that flight, we were smiling and happy, but inside we were really hurting. And that little act of kindness, is something that I will never forget. I truly appreciate. I mean, this actually came back up today because he found my post. I made a video about it, about the note he left and how grateful we were. And then he found my post and he commented on it. And his comment was just so kind. It really just brought back those feelings of that day that I was flying home with my sister. So thank you. Thank you so much for that little act of kindness, because it went a long way. And this is just a reminder to people, like, just be nice to people. You don't know how people are feeling. You don't know what they're going through. You don't know what happened with them that morning. Little act of kindness goes such a long way. And I promise I'm okay. I'm okay. There's a tears of more like joy and gratitude. So I just wanted to share that.